Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous and safe new year. This year, upgrade your traditional Kaju Katli with this chocolatey Kaju Katli truffles, or also known as Kaju Katli bonbons, a perfect recipe for Diwali and Children's Day. So let's get started. So for making a Kaju Katli truffle, here I am taking 2 cups of cashew nuts. These are around 250 grams. Make sure you are using good quality cashew nuts so that it gives a nice and rich flavor to our Kaju Katli truffles. For 2 cups of cashew nut, here I am taking 3/4 cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the proportion of sugar as per your liking. And I am taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now we are going to grind the cashew nuts into powder form. Make sure it's not too fine. We are going to keep it a little coarse to get our truffle a little crunchy, as you can see it here. Now in a non-stick pan, I am taking the sugar. This is 3/4 cup of sugar. Transfer it into the pan. And here I am adding 3/4 cup of water. Make sure that the water is always in equal proportion to the sugar, whichever you take it. And now on low flame we are going to let the sugar melt. By the way, if you want to send me Diwali gifts virtually, it's just simple. Click on that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you would be notified every time Simply Swadisht uploads a new video. Make sure that the flame is low throughout the whole procedure, otherwise your sugar will start to caramelize. We are simply just dissolving the sugar and let it cook for a minute or two. We don't want a string or two like for Kaju Katli. We are making a simple truffle out of it, so no need to caramelize it too much. Once you see such bubbles forming, add your cashew nut powder to this and immediately start stirring it. We have to continuously stir it until you get a nice lump-free texture and paste. After a few minutes of mixing, you will see that the cashew nut powder and the sugar syrup is coming together, forming into a cashew nut paste. That's exactly how we want it. I'm repeating this again. Make sure that the flame is to the lowest at all points, otherwise it will start burning. After 7 to 8 minutes into cooking, you will see that it started to leave the edges and it looks something like this. It has to be of this consistency because we want soft and chewy truffle. So we are going to leave it here. Take a steel plate and grease it with a little bit of ghee. You can also use butter. Transfer the kaju paste or the mixture into the plate and we are going to let this cool down a little. With the help of a spatula, we are going to cut and fold this to immediately bring it to room temperature. And once it comes to room temperature, we are going to transfer it into a baking sheet and then spread it evenly, and we are going to chill this in fridge for 2 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, you will see that our truffle is completely ready. Roll and fold it, and now we are going to make small balls out of it. This was the traditional way of making Kaju Katli truffle. If you don't want this hassle, then you can also make it in just 2 ingredients. To know what is the trick, wait till the end of the video. I will let you know at the end. This is how you'll make balls, and similarly we'll make rest of the balls out of the mixture. Once all the balls are rolled out, we are going to transfer it into a plate and let this chill in deep freezer for 5 to 6 minutes or until it's nice and hard so that our chocolate can coat really well. And now let's melt some chocolate. So here I have dark chocolate and milk chocolate in equal proportion. You can increase or decrease the quantity of either of the chocolate as per your liking, or you can skip it altogether and use white chocolate instead. Now I'm going to melt it in microwave until it's completely smooth. I have microwaved it for about 30 seconds on highest setting, and mix it well until both the chocolates are nicely combined. You can also double boil it on gas. Place a parchment paper, take out your chilled truffles, and now we are going to quickly coat it with chocolate. So take one truffle, dip it into the chocolate, coat it nicely, tap off the excess, and now with the help of a butter knife or another spoon, scoop it out. Here we go. This procedure right here can be a perfect fun activity for your kids. So do try this recipe on Children's Day. They are going to definitely love and enjoy this recipe. If you like this recipe so far, then please hit that like button and also subscribe to join the family. And for the trick, if you don't want to take this whole procedure of making the Kaju Katli paste, you can also grind roasted cashew nuts coarsely and then mix it with condensed milk, set it in refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours, and then scoop out small balls. It won't taste exactly like Kaju Katli, but it will taste quite similar to it, so you can do that as well and make your quick and instant Kaju Katli bonbons. Once all our truffles are nicely coated with chocolate, we are going to set this in freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, and voila! Our Kaju Katli truffles, also known as Kaju Katli bonbons, are ready to be served. This year, give your Kaju Katli a chocolatey twist and enjoy! Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. I come up with new videos every week. Until we meet next time, keep munching! Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and for daily updates, follow me on my Instagram. Link is in the description below. Bye!